What's up guys? Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I am going to talk about the fact that being able to recognize how the tonic note of a major scale sounds like by using your ears and being able to predict how that tonic note of a major scale sounds like will help you to be able to improvise on the piano, and it will also help you to be able to play the piano. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let me explain. So let's say that you're playing within a particular major scale. That is, let's say that you're playing within a particular major key. So for example, let's say that you're playing within the C major scale. That is, within the key of C major. If you're playing a particular melody or a particular chord progression, or if you're playing anything within the major key that you're playing within, so for example, let's say within the key of C major, now what is going to happen is that because your ear has been trained how to recognize how the tonic note of a major scale sounds like, you will be able to predict how the tonic note of the major scale that you're playing within, how it is going to sound like before playing that tonic note. Being able to predict how a particular note is going to sound like will help you with your improvisation, and this will help you to come up with musical ideas quicker and faster on the spot, and hence this will help with your improvisation. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So let's say we're playing something in the key of C major. So this is what I'm going to do. So let me play some random notes in the key of C major, but I am not going to play the tonic note of the C major scale. So listen. Now let me try to predict how the tonic note of the C major scale is going to sound like. It should sound like that. I'm correct. Did you hear that? This is what I mean? So before playing the tonic note of the C major scale, I knew what it would sound like. And this is because my ear has been trained to be able to recognize how the tonic note of a major scale sounds like. So this is another benefit of learning how to recognize the tonic note of a major scale by using your ears. You see what I mean? So being able to predict how the tonic note of any major scale is going to sound like is really going to help with your piano playing, because if you can predict how a particular note is going to sound like, then you'll be able to decide whether you want to play that note or whether you don't want to play that note, or whether that note is right for you to play because of what you want to achieve, or whether that note is not right for you to play based on what you're trying to achieve. You see what I mean? So yes, so whichever major key or major scale that you're playing within, once you train your ears properly, you will be able to predict how the tonic note of any major scale that you're playing within, how that tonic note is going to sound like. This is what I mean? So yeah, that's it for this lesson guys. Thank you for watching.